a problem that is becoming more and more common. Your super expensive high-tech phone breaks and nobody around you has a clue how to fix it. So what do? Well, today we're going to look at a pretty wild solution, shipping it all the way across the globe. Let's dive in and see how a repair shop in Sydney might just be your phone's last hope. So just imagine this for a second. You've got your brand new top-of-the-line phone, the one you've been saving up for, and bam, it hits the pavement. You take it to every local shop, and all you get is a shrug and a sorry, can't help you. You're left holding what feels like a $2,000 paperweight. It's an awful feeling, right? But what if there's another way? And that really gets to the heart of it. Is your phone really a lost cause? You know, with phones getting crazier and more complex every year, especially these new foldables, a lot of local shops just don't have the training or the specialized gear to even attempt to repair. This quote right here, man, it just says it all. It actually comes from a video about fixing a OnePlus Open foldable phone, a device so complicated that most repair techs just throw their hands up and say, no way. We're talking about a whole different level of difficulty that calls for a true specialist. So where on earth do you find these tech wizards? Well, turns out one of the best places to look is down under. Yeah, Sydney has quietly been building this reputation for doing incredible, high-level repairs with technicians who love taking on the jobs everyone else says are impossible. And let's put a face to the name. This is David from the Sydney CBD Repair Center. This guy has been doing this for decades, starting way back with the early iPhones, and now he's a master of these insanely complex devices like foldable phones. He is exactly the kind of expert who can rescue a phone that everyone else has given up on. Now, this looks simple enough on screen, right? 3 easy steps. But what this actually describes is basically open heart surgery for a phone. To fix that OnePlus Open, David had to take the entire phone apart, piece by tiny piece, move dozens of unbelievably fragile parts over to a new frame, and then put it all back together perfectly. And this picture really drives the point home. Look at that. We are not talking about popping off a broken screen and snapping on a new one. This is a full-on transplant. Every single one of those little ribbons, the motherboard, the tiny little batteries, everything has to be moved with the precision of a surgeon. You just don't find that kind of skill at your local mall kiosk. Okay, so the skill is out there. The expert exists, but he's in Sydney. How in the world do you get your broken phone from where you are into his hands? Well, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how this whole international mail-in thing actually works. All right, shipping something so valuable overseas sounds pretty scary, I get it, but it's really all about doing your homework. You have to think about things like customs fees, you absolutely need to get insurance and tracking, and obviously, you gotta pack it like it's a priceless artifact. But the most important thing? Just talk to the shop. Clear communication from the start makes all of this so much easier. And this brings us to a phrase you have to know: landed cost. Super important. This is not just the price the shop quotes you for the repair. The landed cost is the grand total. That's the repair, plus shipping both ways, plus insurance, plus any taxes or customs duties. You have to know this number up front, so there are no nasty surprises later. Which, of course, leads us to the million-dollar question. After all that hassle and all that cost, is it even worth it? Let's crunch the numbers and really figure this out. This quote from that repair video really hits the nail on the head. Look, a specialized repair from halfway across the world is not going to be cheap. But when you're dealing with a phone that costs $1,500, maybe $2,000 or more, paying a few hundred for a repair is way better than buying a whole new device. This little chart here breaks it down really nicely. Got a high-end flagship phone or one of those fancy foldables? Then yes, mailing it in is a really strong contender. A decent mid-range phone? Maybe, especially if the part is hard to find. But a budget phone? Nope. The total cost of the repair and shipping would probably be more than the phone is even worth. And of course, money isn't the only thing you're spending. There's also time. A local fix could be done in a few hours, but an international repair? When you factor in shipping there, the repair time, and shipping back, you could easily be looking at several weeks without your phone. That's a big deal, so you've got to be prepared for that. So, we've weighed the cost, we've considered the time, we've seen the complexity. What's the final call? When should you actually box up your phone and send it on a trip to Sydney? Let's boil it all down into a final verdict. Here you go. It really comes down to these 4 questions. Is your phone expensive? Have you checked and confirmed that nobody locally can fix it? Is the total landed cost going to save you a bunch of money versus just buying a new one? And maybe most importantly, do you have a backup phone you can use for a few weeks? If you can say yes to all four, this is a fantastic option. And that's really the key takeaway here. This whole international mail-in idea isn't meant to replace your local repair guy who fixes cracked screens. This is a gateway. It's about getting access to an elite, world-class skill set that can literally bring a device you thought was junk back from the dead. And that leaves us with a pretty interesting question to think about. As our gadgets get more and more complicated, could this become the new normal? A future where the best person for the job might be on the other side of the planet, but there's still just a mail-in service away. What do you guys think?
So you had a phone disaster? Yeah, I came in with a broken camera, totally useless. But David at Sydney CBD Repair Centre was great. Within a day, the part was...
So phone disaster?
Came in with a brick camera. David fixed it in a day. Good as new. Highly recommend.
Our daily superhero, Mr. Repairman, David, is here. Call 8011-4119 now.
My Motorola Edge 50 screen was smashed. David here ordered the part and fixed it next day in 1 hour.
Our daily superhero, Mr. Repairman, David, is here. Call 8011-4119 now.
Wang, tell us about your recent phone repair.
David was super professional. He fixed my Galaxy Z Flip 4 in an hour. I literally walked in broken and walked out perfectly fixed.
Yeah, highly recommend.
If you have mobile phones issue, you can walk in. We're open Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. 6 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. 2 p.m.